Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back to the mid-80s to talk about one of the most rugged and underrated compact trucks of its time, the 1986 Dodge Ram 50 Sport 4X4. Known for its durability, off-road capabilities, and sporty styling, this truck remains a hidden gem among vintage pickup enthusiasts. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, and performance, and wrap it up with why this truck still matters today. Exterior. The exterior of the 1986 Dodge Ram 50 Sport 4X4 is a perfect example of 80s truck design, bold yet functional. The front end features a square, boxy grille with simple horizontal slats, flanked by rectangular sealed beam headlights that give it a tough and straightforward look. The Sport model added body-colored bumpers, sporty graphics, and unique striping along the sides, making it stand out from standard work trucks of that era. Its short bed with flared wheel arches and raised stance gives it a purposeful off-road ready vibe. Sitting on steel or alloy wheels with chunky all-terrain tires, this truck means business whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the highway. Interior. Moving inside, the 1986 Dodge Ram 50 Sport 4X4 keeps things simple yet practical. The cabin is compact, but it's designed to get the job done. You'll find a classic two-tone dashboard with large, easy-to-read analog gauges, providing all the essential information a driver needs. The Sport model often featured upgraded interior touches, like a sport steering wheel, cloth or vinyl bucket seats with bold patterns, and additional trim details that gave it a slightly upscale feel compared to the base models. Storage compartments, manual window controls, and a straightforward HVAC setup remind you of its utilitarian nature, but the interior holds up surprisingly well in terms of durability. Performance. Under the hood, performance is where the Ram 50 Sport 4X4 shines for its size and era. Power came from a reliable 2.6-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 105 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque. While these numbers might sound modest today, back in the 80s, this was enough to handle both daily driving and light off-road adventures. The engine was paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving drivers better control and engagement on rough terrain. The part-time 4WD system, combined with a solid front axle and leaf spring rear suspension, made this truck a capable off-roader. With a towing capacity of around 2,000 pounds and a payload over 1,000 pounds, it was equally ready for work as it was for weekend fun. In conclusion, the 1986 Dodge Ram 50 Sport 4X4 represents a time when trucks were built tough, simple, and meant to last. Its combination of rugged design, dependable performance, and sporty features made it a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts and small business owners alike. Today, it stands as a nostalgic reminder of the 80s compact pickup scene, a truck that can still hold its own, both on